Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to compare Shift4Shop and Shopify. Now, both of these platforms help you build and run an online store, but they take very different approaches and are designed with different types of businesses in mind. In this video, I'll cover an in-depth look at overall platforms, user interface, core features, SEO, and marketing capabilities, integrations, and much more. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform might be the right choice for your online business. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about Shift4Shop. Now, Shift4Shop, formerly called 3D Cart, is an e-commerce platform that makes it simple and affordable for businesses to sell online. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses and even bigger retailers who want a system that does it all: payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools. The best part is that Shift4Shop gives you everything that you need in one place, like website design, order management, and shipping features without needing extra add-ons or basic stuff. It's also super secure with SSL certification and PCI compliance, so you can trust it to keep your business safe. Plus, it offers lots of customization options and industry-specific templates, making it a great choice for businesses that want a flexible platform to grow with them. On the other hand, there's Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there. Shopify is well known for being super easy to use and perfect for businesses of any size, from small startups to big enterprises. It's all about keeping things simple and quick. Now, you can get an online store up and running fast with this drag and drop builder and tons of professional templates. Shopify also has a huge marketplace for apps, so you can customize your store as much as you need. It handles sales, orders, and inventory really well. If you want to add more features, you've got endless options with third-party integrations. Shopify is reliable, secure, and always improving, which is why so many online businesses love using it to grow and run smoothly. Next, let's dive into some of the core features of both platforms to see what each platform offers and where they might have limitations. So Shift4Shop is designed to be an all-in-one e-commerce solution that works for businesses of all sizes. One of its best features is the product management system, which makes it super easy to create, edit, and organize your products. It also comes with a built-in shopping cart, secure checkout, and multiple payment options, so selling becomes super easy. On top of that, it also has tools for managing orders, tracking inventory, and handling shipping, which helps keep everything running smoothly. Now, what really stands out about Shift4Shop is that it doesn't rely much on third-party apps. It already has a ton of built-in features like managing discounts and coupons, customer segmentation, and detailed sales reports. So if you're looking for a simple solution packed with features to handle all your e-commerce needs, then Shift4Shop has you covered from start to finish. On the other hand, Shopify takes a different approach by offering a super flexible platform that works with a huge ecosystem of apps and third-party tools. It gives you all the basics you need for e-commerce, like managing products, processing orders, secure payments, and shipping solutions. But what makes Shopify really stand out is its app store. With thousands of apps to choose from, you can easily add extra features like advanced marketing tools, social media integrations, or even detailed inventory management systems to fit your business needs. It also comes with built-in tools like a content management system, or a CMS, so that you can create blogs, landing pages, and rich content to engage your customers. Plus, Shopify's analytics and reporting features give you valuable insights into your sales, customers' behavior, and how well your marketing is working. One thing to keep in mind is that using third-party apps can mean extra costs as your store grows. But this setup gives you the freedom to customize your store, whether you want something simple or super advanced. So while Shift4Shop offers lots of built-in features, Shopify's scalable design and flexibility can be a big plus for businesses that are looking to grow. Hey, quick interruption here. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and Optimize your financial management. Click the link in the description of this video and check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's talk about the SEO and marketing tools in Shift4Shop and Shopify, which are super important for getting your visitors and increasing sales. So Shift4Shop has some great built-in SEO tools that make it easy to optimize your website without needing extra plugins. You can customize things like meta titles, descriptions, URLs, and alt text. Basically, all the stuff that helps your site rank higher on Google. Plus, it includes helpful features like structured data support and automatic sitemaps, so search engines can easily find and index your pages. For marketing, Shift4Shop has email marketing tools, options for discounts and coupons, and social media integration. Now, all of this makes it easier to connect with your customers and run marketing campaigns without spending extra on outside tools. It's a good choice if you want simple, ready-to-go features for both SEO and marketing. Now, Shopify steps it up a notch with even more advanced tools and integrations. First off, its platform is built with clean, SEO-friendly code, which means that your site loads fast and it looks great on mobile, both super important for ranking higher on search engines. Shopify also gives you full control over your SEO settings like meta tags, alt text, and canonical URLs. On the marketing side, Shopify offers built-in tools for social media, email campaigns, and detailed analytics to track how everything is performing. Plus, their App Store has tons of marketing apps that can help you automate tasks, run ad campaigns, and retarget visitors who didn't buy the first time. While Shopify might need a bit more effort and some extra investment in apps, it's a powerful option if you're serious about growing your business and driving organic traffic. In short, Shift4Shop is great if you want simple built-in tools, while Shopify gives you more flexibility and advanced features if you're ready to invest a little more in your growth. Finally, let's look at integrations and customization options for both platforms. Shift4Shop is built as an all-in-one e-commerce platform, meaning most of its main features are already included. Now, this reduces the need for extra apps and ensures that everything works smoothly right out of the box. That said, it still supports a variety of integrations like payment gateways, shipping services, and marketing tools to help you build your online store. Now, when it comes to customization, Shift4Shop gives you plenty of options to tweak your store's design. You can change themes, layouts, colors, fonts, and more to fit your brand. While it may not offer as much flexibility as some other platforms, it's a solid choice if you want a clean, professional look without relying too much on third-party tools. On the other hand, Shopify is famous for its flexibility and huge integration options. Its App Store is a major highlight, offering thousands of apps to add just about any feature that you can think of. If you need more advanced analytics, inventory management, live chat, or social media tools, there's probably an app for that. Now, this makes it easy to customize your store and fine-tune everything from marketing and sales to shipping and customer service. Plus, Shopify's theme marketplace has tons of professional templates that you can easily customize to fit your style. So which platform should you go with? It really depends on your business needs and where you see your online store in the future. If you're running a small or medium-sized business and you want an all-in-one platform with built-in features, good performance, and solid marketing and SEO tools without needing a bunch of extra apps, then Shift4Shop might be the best fit. It's affordable, easy to use, and it's great for getting started quickly without too much hassle. But if you're an entrepreneur or a growing business that needs more flexibility and customization, then Shopify might be the better choice. Shopify has tons of apps, advanced marketing tools, and integration options that let you create a unique store and scale as your business grows. In the end, it's all about what works for you. Do you want a simple, ready-to-go solution like Shift4Shop, or do you need a customizable and scalable platform like Shopify? Take your pick. So that's it for today's comparison. I hope that this video has helped you understand the differences between Shift4Shop and Shopify and has given you a clear picture of which platform might be the best fit for your online store. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.